Hello everyone, I'm Rizwan.
Hello, I'm Sara.
Okay, today we are going to practice all the sounds of English alphabet. So let's get started.
Apple.
Okay, so the sound is apple. Okay. Bed. Okay. Kit. Okay. Very nice.
Elephant.
Super. Okay, what's this? What sound?
Flower.
Okay. Flower. What's the sound?
Flower.
Okay, very nice. What sound is this?
Gold.
Okay, very nice. Go. What about okay, horse. Okay, what about this?
Iguana.
Okay, iguana. And what about this? Jellyfish. Okay, good. What about this one? Kitten. Okay. What about this one? Lion. Okay. What sound is this? Okay. Monkey. Very nice. Okay. What about this?
Orange.
Okay. Very nice. What about this one?
No.
Okay. Nose.
Pizza.
Okay. Pizza. Pizza. Okay. Good. What about this? Quiet. Okay. What about this one? Okay.
Rhino.
Okay. Rhino. Okay. What about this one?
Snake.
Okay. Snake. Okay. Sit down. Okay. What about this one? Loudly.
Tiger.
Okay. Tiger. Okay. What about this one? No. Up. Okay. Up. Okay. What about this one? Vulture. Okay. Vulture. Okay. What about this one?
Water.
Okay. X-ray. X-ray. Okay. What about this one? Yeah. Yellow. Okay. What about this one? What sound is this? Zzz. Zipper. Okay, so today we have discussed all of the sounds in the English alphabet, 26 letters, 26 sounds. Apart from these, there are other sounds. They are called digraphs. Okay, in another video we will discuss them. So that's enough for today. Bye bye everyone. Say bye bye.